Here's your 60-second script. If you've ever tried calculating a T-score by hand, you know it's tedious, error-prone, and honestly kind of miserable. There's a better way. The T-score interactive calculator does the heavy lifting for you. Just plug in your sample mean, your population mean, your standard deviation, and your sample size, and it instantly gives you your T-score along with your degrees of freedom. Let's say your sample mean is 85, your population mean is 80, your standard deviation is 10, and your sample size is 25. Enter those four numbers, hit calculate, and boom, your T-score is 2.5. No formula memorization, no arithmetic mistakes. Whether you're a student running your first hypothesis test or a researcher double-checking your work, this tool saves you time and builds your confidence. Try the free T-score interactive calculator right now using the link below. Word count.